Okay, for this tutorial we're going to be taking a certificate that I've designed previously and individualizing it for each attendee to this particular course. So I'm once again in the Back to Roots control panel on Canva, and we've got the artwork available here. So I'm going to click on the certificate file, just wait a second for it to load up, and now we can see the templates ready to go. I've already entered in the name of the event and the number of hours of CPT time that's been completed, so we don't need to worry about that. All we're going to be doing is changing this name field and then downloading each name version individually as a PDF file. So first of all, I'm going to change the name. And once I've done that, I'll click off that box. And it is as simple as that. Once I've changed the name, I can now duplicate or copy page up on the right-hand corner. And now we should have two files with the same name. So all we need to do with this is change the name. And now we duplicate the post for the third name. And we just repeat the process for as many individualized certificates as you need. There are probably more efficient ways if you have 50, 60 attendees. In this case, there are going to be about 10, so this effect will work absolutely fine. Once you've created your individualized certificates, we now can go to the download option, as shown in the top right-hand corner, and we want to download as PDF print. That will give it a nice high-resolution file that will look really sharp on screens, or it allows the individuals to print off their own copies of the certificate, and you won't lose resolution or you won't get additional fuzziness with the quality of the file. We don't need to worry about crop marks and bleed because we're not sending these off to professional printing companies. If you did need to do that and you wanted to get them all professionally printed, you could then select crop marks and bleed, and in fact then you could download all of the pages in one go. And the way you do that is this final drop-down box here. In this instance though, we're going to be sending them as digital PDFs individually to the client, so we don't need the crop marks and bleed, which are indicators for the printers to cut the document at a certain size. We want the artwork to go right to the edges of the file. So what I can do now is select page 1, done, and download. Finally then, I just choose a location for the file. In fact, if you're downloading multiple files, I'll do it the same with the second page. So same process, just tick page 2 instead of page 1, done. The only thing I'll do differently this time is I'll actually rename the individual file, which will be easier for recollection at a later date. Finally, we repeat the process for the third page by selecting page 3, done, and then download, and then we have our 3 individual files from which then we can find on our computer, attach them to emails, and send them out to our attendees. And that's it.